Hi and welcome to this course on algorithmic trading for cryptocurrencies with Python and Binance. This is the first truly data-driven and fully automated crypto trading course, so we will leave nothing to chance, hope and emotions here. And you will learn step by step how some of the most successful crypto traders and investors make their profits in the crypto market. And I will also demonstrate the commonly made mistakes and pitfalls among beginners. And finally, at the end of the course, you will be able to create and run your own fully automated trading bots in the cloud with Amazon Web Services. And we will start with the very basics of investing, trading, cryptos and more. And I will explain basic terms like market orders, limit orders, spread, commission and slippage. And then we move on with Binance and the powerful Binance API that allows us to create Python trading bots. So this is the most detailed course that you can find on the Binance API. And then you will learn the difference between spot trading and futures trading and how to create, backtest and optimize profitable strategies for spot trading and for futures trading. And in particular, we will cover long-only strategies, enhanced buy and hold strategies, long-short strategies, and special strategies for leveraged futures trading. And then I will show you how to implement these strategies in a real trading environment, but also in a simulated test environment, so paper trading. And finally, this course provides a tailor-made Python crash course for those who haven't worked with Python before or for those who need a refresher. So in a nutshell, this is the most comprehensive and only course that you will need to step into the crypto trading and investing business. I am Alex, your instructor for this course and best-selling Udemy instructor for algorithmic trading, pandas, Python for finance and financial data science. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in this course.